Well, this is a first for me, everybody. I actually did not hit record on a very important part of this episode that's coming up. It's only like a minute long, but it's probably the most important part. Man, do I feel dumb. Anyhow, I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed remaking this simply because this stuff's delicious. So anyhow, we're gonna start on it, and thanks everybody for your support and watching. Hey everybody, Mike Wolford here from the Dude's Kitchen, or is it with the Dude's Kitchen? With the Dude's Kitchen? From the Dude's Kitchen? I don't know. Either way, we're here. Hope everybody had a happy New Year's. And today we are doing part 3 of a 4-part episodes on, bowl game, playoffs, Super Bowl appetizers. Today we're doing buffalo chicken fries. These things are loaded. These things are the bomb. It's super simple to make if you just have a little bit of time. Let's do it. First thing we're going to do, just some spray. And this is just olive oil spray. You put it down here in the pan. Super easy. We got some steak cut fries. Cut them open. Lay them in the pan. I really thought I was going to need 2, but apparently I just need 1. This is perfect. All right, I'm going to put these down into the oven at 425 for 12 minutes. And then we're going to take them out and finish them up. All right, while those are down, we're going to start on the chicken. So really at this point, we're just finishing up the shredding of the chicken. I actually bought whole chicken to do it. And it's kind of a pain, you get the bones in it and all that good stuff, but hey, at the end of the day, it's real chicken. Okay, not much left of this carcage, so put it off to the side. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start preparing our mix for the buffalo sauce. It's time to make the sauce, guys. So really, we're going to take about a half a stick of butter, put it into the pan, let it melt down, then we're going to add probably 1/3 of the Frank's wing sauce to this as soon as it starts melting. And it's already starting to melt. I love this stove. That's probably about 1/3. Start mixing this all together. Make sure everything gets melted down before we throw our chicken in. All right, the butter is melted. So, got here this thing of the shredded chicken that we did earlier. I'm just gonna pour it in over like this. I'll put this back on. I'm gonna put it on low heat. I'm just gonna mix the chicken up. Just mix it up here in the bowl. Oh, Zoe, that's for you. No, you're not gonna want that. Dang it. Oh well, no, get. Sorry guys, Zoe's in here. Now we're just gonna put it back in. And now while this is on low heat, this is just simmering the chicken with the hot wing sauce. We're just waiting for the fries to get done. I'm gonna clean up the mess on the floor and we'll be right back. So this is the part where we had to remake it. So the timer just went off. Let's go grab our fries. And they are looking good. Not done yet though. So now we also took our chicken and we added some hot sauce or buffalo sauce to it. So now we're just going to spread it around over our fries. Give it a quick stir, kind of get everything back together. So now that our chicken's on here, we need to add some cheese to it. Put a nice amount, probably about half of one of these on here, half a thing of cheese on here. And then we're going to put it back down into the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Well, you hear that? That means our 10 minutes is up. Let's take these things out, give them a try. Holy moly. Look at that. Come on guys, tell me that doesn't look amazing. Wow. It is time to test these things. Oh, that's cheese goodness. Oh man. Cheese goodness all the way. Seriously, if you could smell these things in here, wow. These are the bomb. Come on. Tell me that doesn't look good. Check it out. We got blue cheese, chicken, French fry. I'm telling you, you add all these together, wow. So there you have it, peeps. Part 3 of our 4-part episodes on game day appetizers. I know what's going with me to our Super Bowl party. These things are killer. Really all it is, guys, French fries, shredded chicken, and Frank's hot sauce, butter, melt them all together, put them on top, put some cheese on here, Cheddar Jack. We had sharp cheddar cheese, blue cheese crumbles, put them back in the oven for 10 minutes at 425. You got it right here, the bomb. Okay guys, thanks everybody for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Comment, we dig your comments, really do. Thanks everybody for watching. And remember, the dude abides, this time with loaded chicken, hot wing sauce, French fries. You're gonna dig it. Talk to you later.